Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how you can edit easily payment method on Elevenlabs. So guys, go to Elevenlabs and click my account as you can see here, and after that click on subscription. On the section on the click manage billing info and wait, you find this option guys. As you can see here, you find added payment as you can see here, and you have a Visa card and you have MasterCard next, and this is Stripe guys. You can add it easily payment method here, your number of card, for example this is my card, and add your date expiration and code security and click your pay as you can see here, and click added payment added a payments option as you can see here. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Keep watching guys.